What's up, guys? So today I decided I wanted to set up a dash cam in the Ruby. And I figured I may as well just kind of video it and throw it up just in case somebody, wants to do that as well. The things we're going to need. We're going to need, of course, the SJ cam or any sort of action cam or, dash cam type thing. Our mounting supports right there with a little double-sided tape on the back. We're going to need a USB extending cable and of course our USB cable as well to supply the power to our cam. One of the first things we want to do is set the camera to, hold on, there we go, to car mode. So we're going to just scroll down. Where is it? There it is. Set it to car mode. So hit OK. Make sure that's on. And OK. Perfect. Now what car mode does is it's going to set the camera to turn on and off every time you start up the car. Or every time the camera gets power. And we're setting up the power to be powered by the on and off, turning on and off of the car. Right in the center console, Jeep gave us the perfect little USB. Right there. Right, and that is powered by the ignition. So all we need to do is plug in, our USB cable right in there. And then there's this little kind of divot right over here, and our USB cable just kind of drops right out there. Now we're going to feed, this is a USB extending cable. We're going to feed that USB extender cable all the way down underneath the seat and then up into that A-pillar. Ran there just behind the seat. Now we're just under here and we're just going to start tucking that extended USB extender all the way, just underneath, so we can't see anything, and we're going to go all the way up and around. So there's the camera mounted on the window just behind the rear view mirror, and from down here you can kind of see it, but from an actual sitting point of view, it's completely covered up by the rear view mirror. And there is, oh, that's a crazy glare. There's the wire. Let's kind of take a look at it from this side. The wire goes up just behind the upper console into the upper console. And honestly, one of the great things about this Jeep is that everything just kind of gets tucked in really nicely, so you don't even see any of the wires. And then of course it just kind of runs right across the top there and down the just down there, and then it hides away. Yeah, I love this little setup. It works great. Our 3 USB ports, they're on about a 1 hour timer. So you'll notice that after the Jeep starts up and you turn it off, it's going to take almost an hour to power down. But of course our dash cams don't use very much power, and easy installation, and it's kind of out of the way. Right? You can hardly tell that it's there, and so you can tell it's a little bit fall, a little bit cool, and I hope that helps somebody, maybe. Meh.